Today we're featuring a 2004 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It's got 89,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's 2 owners. Okay, go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it is a 4-wheel drive. It's got the nice running boards. Also is equipped with a roof rack. All right, the driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make your way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have the rear power sliding window that comes all the way down there. Tow hitch. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on this 4Runner. It is a 2004. It's got 89,000 miles. The exterior of this is amazing. A few little rock chips right here on the hood. Okay, real minor stuff. Okay, this thing's priced right. It's ready to sell. Okay, it is a 2004 with 89,000 miles, so some of that stuff's to be expected. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Get your two-tone door panels. Nice suede insert right here. Power locks, power windows. It is equipped with gray leather seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. All right, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. It is a 4-wheel drive. Okay, and there's your rear window button. It rolls all the way down. That's a nice feature that 4Runner offers. It is equipped with cassette and CD player. Does have cruise control. Let me go ahead and get the keyless fob here for you. All right, it does have 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 89,815 miles. Now that we've got it started, lift the buttons up a little bit so you can see a little bit better, but it is 4-wheel drive. There's your climate control center there. Your CD player and cassette. All right, turn it on just a few minutes ago. The AC is already blowing nice and cold. No problems there. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Door panels back here in good shape. Leather back here looks good. It does have the center console that comes down. All right, and then the cup holders come out there. All right, but the back seat leather's in great shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and check out the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Does have the sunshade that comes out here as well. But as you can see, plenty of room back here in this 4Runner. Everything's nice and clean. This thing's in really good shape for a 2004 with only 89,000 miles on it. All right, give you another perspective of the back seat here. But as you can see, the leather's really good shape. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. We've got 16-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. As you can see, the tread, plenty of tread. All right, once again, so 2004 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It's got 89,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Okay, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.